This tough F-250 has some serious muscle. Get great power and great style while you work or play. Only 14k miles of road behind it, and years of fun ahead. See what it can do for you. Schedule your test drive today. We are located in beautiful Colorado. Airport pickup is no problem, or we can arrange vehicle shipping and delivery nationwide. All vehicles come with a vehicle history report. PL 104.